Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you have an administrator account. Many fixes need elevated rights. Once confirmed, try the fast launches. Control plus Shift plus ESC or Control plus Alt plus Del. If Task Manager still won't appear, run Tasker from the Run box. If it fails silently, open PowerShell and run Get Process to see hanging processes. These steps reveal whether the problem is a simple launch failure or a deeper service/process issue, so you know what to address next. Now you repair core components that Task Manager depends on. First, restart Windows Management Instrumentation and Remote Registry Services. This restores management access. Next, run Systemic Integrity Checks, SFC/Scano to fix corrupted files, and DISM/online/cleanup image to repair the component store. Once scans finish and you reboot, open Task Manager and verify options and view settings, reset columns, and to complete the fix, determine whether your user profile is the culprit. Create a new local administrator account and log in. If Task Manager works, migrate your data. If not, run a system restore to a point before the issue began, which often undoes registry or profile damage. If neither helps, perform an in-place upgrade repair using Windows installation media. This preserves files while replacing system files. If problems persist, key troubleshooting tip. Note exact error behavior and event viewer logs before seeking deeper support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.